Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen and you see the current watch face, the home screen, press the back button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here scroll down, look for the option called watch face and tap on it. And here we can set up our watch face. And first option we have is choose layout. And you can scroll through the list, look for the layout you like. Once you find the layout, tap on the check mark to confirm. Then we can select the background, so basically how the watch face looks like. Then we can tap on the check mark. Next we can select the color theme. Then tap on the check mark. And finally we can select the data, basically the widgets, and we can tap on first one, select something we like, the second one, and the last one. Okay, and once you're done, swipe up, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch face will be applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.